Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to delete Candy Crush Saga account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Saga app, then go to settings. Over there you can see the option of here a person with a cross. Tap on it. Here you can see how do I delete my player account. Here you have got all the guidance. Please tap on delete my account at the bottom of this article. We'll confirm your request via email and provide the necessary details to proceed the deletion. For desktop also they have given you the guidelines. If you don't have a King account, register. We do not store your personal information. In case, you can simply delete the app from your device. And then over here tap on delete my account. Here you have to enter your Gmail, your full name, I understand, and tap on delete my account. Then after, I'm not deleting my account, but you can do that and you will receive the mail soon. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such